have showed how we can make a mask at our homes without any sewing machine. So before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of all my videos. So now let's start the video. So the materials that we will require for making this beautiful mask are an old t-shirt. I am using my younger sister's old t-shirt. Then an inchy tape. You can even use an inchy scale if you have it. Then scissors and a marker for marking. You can even use a sketch pen like me, and a scale for drawing straight lines. So these are the only materials that we will require. No sewing machine. So now let's get towards our procedure. Best, we will fold this t-shirt into half, as we need two parts of our t-shirt. One will be the front and one would be the back. So now we will use this inchy tape to take 6 inches breadth and 8 inches as the length. So now I'm gonna mark the markings. Like I'm gonna take 6 inches of my breadth. I'm using a marker here. I've made the drawings, and now I will cut it with the help of the scissor. So here I have cut this and I've got 2 pieces. Okay, so now we will gonna make some like thread like cloth with the help of the remaining shirt. So now I will mark this with the help of the marker. I will take 2 thin strips. They need to be equal. One. Wait. This, I've taken this. I will cut this. I'll make small cuts here. Make really small cuts. Should not be too large. Cut this into small parts through which we will weave this strip. Now we will do same in this part too. Basically we are weaving here. This side, then you will get it back. This. You will do the same in both the sides. Basically we are weaving here. So in the same way I have now weaved these 2 parts, and now we will tie it according to your sizes. You can tie it. So I'm tying it. So after making the mask and decorating it a bit, it looks something like this. It is a really comfortable mask and it is really easy to make it. Do try it. And if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Craft with Manya. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.